Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupts, spewing 700-foot-high lava, leaving visitors gasping in amazement. Lava from Hawaii's most active volcano created a fountain that reached 700 feet Thursday during the latest episode of its ongoing eruption. Kilauea began steadily spewing lava from its summit caldera inside Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on Wednesday morning after a week-long lull, the U.S. Geological Survey said. The molten rock was contained within the park and did not pose a threat to residential areas. The 14th episode ended Thursday afternoon after 28 hours. Over the past 7 hours, the lava fountain reached 600 feet according to the USGS's Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. In the early afternoon, live webcam feeds showed a powerful, bright red fountain, but later showed only billowing smoke. One USGS webcam captured images of rock fragments flying over the volcano's rim. Other stunning images captured by the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory show the swirling texture of the lava pool's crustal plates, a phenomenon called lava backflow. The volcano began erupting on December 23rd. Since then, it has stopped and resumed more than a dozen times. The shortest episode lasted 13 hours, while the longest lasted 8 days. In January, CBS affiliate KGMB reported that Kilauea put on a spectacular show with a 26-hour eruption, with live cameras showing a mix of volcanic gas emissions and steam from rain at the summit. The bright light from the north vent indicated that lava remained close to the crater's surface, scientists said. Each time, the volcano ejected lava high into the sky from the caldera vent, creating a dramatic sight for park visitors. Local families on spring break were among those gathering at various viewing platforms around the park, said park spokeswoman Jessica Farrakane. There was a lot of excitement in the air, and visitors were gasping in amazement, smiling widely, and walking or running from the parking lot to the viewing platform in hopes of seeing the lava activity before it faded, she said in an email shortly before the fountain stopped. The eruption was the 6th recorded at Kilauea's summit since 2020. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park encompasses the summits of 2 of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. Kilauea also erupted in June and September 2024. The park, on Hawaii's Big Island, is about 200 miles south of Honolulu.